CPM, problem 1-15. We're being asked basically if you're given certain specs, if there are more than one possible function that could fit those specs. So for problem A, it's asking us what if x-intercepts are -5, 0, that is right here, 2, 0, and 6, 0. And what if the domain is -5 is less than equal to x less than equal to 7? So our domain is going to be from 7 on the right side and -5 on the left, including, okay, and the range will be -4 to 10. So the lowest point will be -4 down here. So it's got to fit within this box, and 10 up here. So is it possible to have multiple functions that fit within this box and have the x-intercepts shown? Well, let's try it. Okay, we know it's got to go all the way up here, and then it's got to go all the way down here, and it's got to cross here, and then it's got to stop here, I guess. Okay, so that is definitely a function that fits these. And this would definitely be called a sketch. This is not a complete graph because we'd only have 3 points that are actually part of the graph itself. Well, that should be a closed circle. All right, so what if we did a different graph? What if we went like this, and like this, and like this? Does that fit those specs? Absolutely, it does. It crosses the x-axis at the proper locations. It has a domain of -4, or excuse me, -5 to 7, and a range of -4 to 10, but they are completely different functions. So for part B, it's saying, what if our x-intercepts are -4 and 0 and 2, 0, and the domain in this case is all real numbers, and the range is y is greater than or equal to 8. So the only real restriction that we have here is that y has to be greater than or equal to -8. There's 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so our function has to stay above this point. Well, what I can think of that does this is a parabola for sure. And if we have a parabola that looks like this, and if we put arrows on the end, that means it's going to go forever to the left, forever to the right, and it's going to go up forever, and it has hit down here at y is -8, and there we go. We have fit all of those. Now, is it possible to do a different function? I will let you investigate that.